Got sued by debt collectors? Here's how I fought back and won in 14 days. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for your special discount on SoloSuit. Trust me, you'll want this. Look, getting that lawsuit paper in the mail feels like getting punched in the gut by someone wearing brass knuckles made of legal jargon. But here's the thing. You don't have to just roll over and play dead. SoloSuit is basically your legal superhero cape, but way less dramatic and much more effective. Here's how it works. First, you go to their website and answer some simple questions about your case. Think of it like filling out a really important survey, except this one might save you thousands of dollars. The platform then generates your legal response automatically. No law degree required, no pulling all-nighters reading legal textbooks that make your eyes bleed. But wait, there's more. And I promise this isn't a late-night infomercial. SoloSettle connects you directly with debt collectors to negotiate settlements. We're talking settlements often 30 to 70% less than what you originally owed, usually wrapped up in under 2 weeks, sometimes even 3 to 4 days. Over 230,000 people have used this platform to handle more than $1.5 billion in debt. That's not pocket change, folks. The best part? You're not fighting this battle alone anymore. You've got a system that actually works, and collectors already know and respect the platform. So don't let that lawsuit turn you into a deer in headlights. Click that link in the description, get your discount, and start fighting back today.